Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will explain how to stop or hold the employee's salary for a particular month. You can hold or stop the salary and then release the withheld salary for the selected month. And you have the option to either not process the salary or process the salary, but you do not have to pay the employees. On the home page, click Payroll, scroll down to Utilities, click Stop Release Payroll. The list of employees for whom the stop pay has been initiated is displayed. Click Add New. The processing month will be displayed. Enter the employee code or name. Select the action, which is stop payment or stop payment until release. If you select stop payment, the salary will be processed but will not be displayed in the salary payment bank reports for payout. Stop payment until release. Here the salary will be held for that month and will continue to be held till the salary is released. Since salary is not processed, the employee details will not be displayed in the salary payments bank report for payout. Mention the reason. Check the box Stop Income Tax Projection for tedious calculations. This will not allow the earnings to be projected during the stop payment period. Once the salary is released, the earnings will be projected. Thus, it helps in reducing the tedious for the month as there will be no projected salary for the remaining months of the year. Once you have updated the details, click Save. You will get the message Payment Stopped for the employee. Please note, if you select Stop Payment Until Release after the payroll process, you will get the message that since payroll is already processed, the payslip will be deleted. You can use the Import option to add employees in bulk. Click Import. Click Download Template here. Enter the details in the file and save the file. Click Choose File and select the file. Once the file has been selected, click Import and the details will be uploaded. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.